Let me ask you a quick question. If you had around £200 sitting in your bank right now, would you rather leave it there or put it to work?
Because right now in the UK, more beginners are quietly getting into crypto crease. Not by trading manually, but by using smarter, simpler tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how that works, step by step. Now here's the problem. Most people who try crypto for the first time end up losing money. Not because crypto doesn't work, but because systems that use AI, but because they don't understand charts, don't know when to buy or sell, or they follow random advice online. Systems that use AI, but because they don't understand charts, don't know when to buy or sell, or they follow random advice online. And honestly, that's where a lot of beginners get stuck. But recently, I came across a different approach. Instead of trying to trade manually, there are now systems that use AI technology to analyze the crypto market and place trades automatically. So instead of you doing the hard work, the system handles market analysis, entry points, exit points.
All you really do is monitor your account.
Let me break it down in the simplest way possible. Step 1, you create an account and
Step 2, you deposit around £200. 3, the system connects and starts analyzing the market, and it scans thousands of data points and identifies potential trading opportunities, much faster than a human can, knowing what to do. But it removes the biggest problem beginners face, which is not knowing what to do. Now, I want to be very clear here. This is not a get-rich-quick system. What this does is give you a structured way to start, instead of guessing. And that's why more beginners are using this approach, for T-Note, especially here in the UK.
Think about it like this. Instead of spending months learning charts, watching YouTube videos all day, and still feeling confused, you're starting with a system that simplifies the process.
That's why many people begin with around £200 down. It's a comfortable starting point to test and understand how it works. So if you're curious and want to see how it works, I've left a link in the description below, or check the link at the comment section below or anywhere around this video.
You can go through the setup, see how the system works, and decide for yourself if it's something you want to try. No pressure, hey, just information.
The goal here isn't to rush or gamble. It's to start small, understand the process, and make smarter financial decisions. If you found this helpful, feel free to sign up, get the link at the comment section or somewhere around this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the said. I'll be sharing more beginner-friendly guides like this. And I'll see you in the next video.